can't work.
Hi guys, welcome to my channel. Thank you for subscribing and please keep safe during this virus outbreak. Now, just a quick update on what's going on in Jamaica. The government have closed all schools, courthouses, bars, hair salon, and now I'm hearing that all ports are being closed to all incoming passengers. There are 19 confirmed cases of COVID-19 virus, 1 death. The Jamaican government have also quarantined 7 and 8 Mile Bull Bay in Kingston and also Current Peace in Clarendon, which may have a suspected cases of the virus. This is a quick peek of what's going on in Junction St. Elizabeth. Normally on a Friday, the town would be very crowded with people shopping. As you can see, all that has changed. Well, the supermarket are well stocked and they are advising customers to stay 4 feet apart. Banks only allow for few persons inside. The rest have to wait outside. Some supermarkets are doing the same thing. Before entering business places, there are persons at the door who sanitizes your hands. There are also commercial vehicle advertising, safety tips, and so on. Guys, please stay safe and thanks for watching.
The man that scare people.
People.
Oh, in there no water.
Alcohol.
Water. In there.
White
How many
alcohol.
smell nothing? Can you smell it? Can I not smell?
Hey,
Can I
it's
smell?
just
Can I smell strong man?
Yeah.
Boom. Tabi ako sa la place of pay me.
If you have a cough for more than 2 weeks with fever, night sweats, and weight loss, go to your...
A message from the Ministry of Health and Wellness. School's out and Flow is here for you with a best study partner. Log on to flowstudy.co powered by One-on-One. It's free and brings you closer than ever to the best online learning for PET, CAPE, and CSEC with the teachers that specialize in exam success. Visit flowstudy.co to start learning today.
Well, right there used to be eggs, and all the eggs are gone.
or Multilink 8 p.m. Island One. I don't believe us in right now. You believe us in right now. First thing.
Lots of food still available, and some vegetables still available on the supermarket shelf. Lots of wipes also. Grown provisions. Garlic, I heard garlic is good during this period. Baby formulas are available. Bleach, as you can see, there's bleach right there. And lots of tissues. So guys, basically right now the supermarket is well packed. The main things that you need during a quarantine are self-isolation. Few people there are stocking up on certain things. Still have to keep the clothes clean, so there's fabric softener and washing up liquid and all those things. A lot of beverages. Guys, a lot of cleaning products are still available. Bleach, Lysol, disinfectants, Dettol. All of those things are still available in Junction St. Elizabeth. As you can see guys, most businesses are closed. That's a print shop, it's also closed. This is a very popular hair salon. It's also closed. You can see people still open up the store. Hope they're being careful. Trust me, during this time, I wouldn't go into a clothing store to buy anything at all. So I'd advise you guys not to go and try on any clothes. Another clothing store also closed. Clothing store again, closed. And believe me guys, on a Friday in Junction, town and packed. I guess people are getting it. And that's the line at the back, you have to stay outside. Foodman is still crowded on a Friday also. He's losing sales. This is the next supermarket, also well stocked. Tin foods. So anything you want, guys, here in Junction, you can come down and get it. Town is very, very empty, not much people. Even at the gas station, there's not much business going on there either. The Chinese shop down there, it's also closed. The Western Union is taking precautions also.
Avoid close contact with anyone with the cold or flu-like symptoms. If you think you've been exposed to COVID-19,
So guys, the next supermarket I went to, I had to stay outside because they said they don't want too much crowd in the supermarket. I had to wait until a person leave before I could enter. And they're also doing the sanitizing of the hands. You can't blame them, they're taking precautions. What's this for now? Oh wait, in there. There's actually alcohol in the bottle that they're using to sanitize this person. As you can see, the supermarket is also well stocked. You have your baked goods, bread, buns, sugar and cornmeal and flour. So guys, if you're in a different parish and you can't get any food stuff, you can always come down to Junction and do your shopping. There's lots of stuff here to go around for everyone. Cooking oil, vinegar, and vinegar can also be used as a sanitizer mixed with hydrogen peroxide. You have your tin foods again. You can never have too much tin food during the quarantine because they are non-perishable. They can stay for however long. Lots of water right there. Baby formulas and such. Guys, I can't emphasize enough. Please be careful during this period. Take all the necessary precautions. Tissues and such. Bleaches. All cleaning products are still in Junction. Lysol, air fresheners. Colgate.